Guys, we did it. We have the new CFMoto 675SS on the channel. That is the replacement motorcycle for my KTM 890 Adventure. And in today's video, I want to tell you guys why I got this bike, kind of the quick laydown of it, and yeah, introduce it to the channel. It's being introduced to the fleet of motorcycles now, but this is the new replacement for the KTM 890 Adventure. I want to go for a ride, take you guys with me, kind of just talk about why I got this bike, and yeah, is it still worth getting if you're a more seasoned rider? You know, how do I feel about it? Kind of give you that kind of perspective too. And yeah, it's a beautiful day. We're gonna go out for a nice quick ride. Let's do it.
Honestly, my thoughts on this thing is I've been looking at these motorcycles for a while. I saw some people were making content on them, and I thought that they were kind of cool and stuff like that. Don't mind me, thank you. People make content on these things, and I thought that they looked really cool. I thought most people that was gonna buy this thing were just like people that were, that's a pretty cool bike. I thought that most people that were gonna buy this thing were gonna be people that were either beginners or it's like their second motorcycle that they've had. Because I mean, it's not that they're necessarily marketed as that, but like that's kind of the feel that I was getting. I was just like, yeah, if you're gonna buy this bike, you're either gonna be a starter or what's this? I don't know. Oh, is this a Rite Aid? Wow, it's kind of hot. I just pulled over. So I definitely feel like a lot of people, when they first think about these bikes, you're usually like not a beginner, but I would say this is like your second motorcycle. I know people, they upgrade from the other CFMoto, the like either 400 or it's like a 300, I think, whatever it is. This I've been seeing like a lot of people upgrade to the 675 from those bikes. But my perspective is I don't even know what motorcycle this is to me. So I've been riding sport bikes. I want to say I started way back in the day on like a Ninja 250. It was an EX. It was a 1987 motorcycle. This was back in maybe like 2014, not even before then, maybe 2013. I don't know exactly the year, but I started off on that. The only bike I could afford was that old motorcycle. It was like the oldest thing I could find. I bought that, and then I upgraded to a Gixxer 600. After that, I had a Gixxer 750. So I had other motorcycles before this, like true proper sport bike. Just driving a sport bike in general is so much fun. And I find myself wanting to drive this thing like more and more than I did even the KTM. The KTM was a adventure motorcycle, and like the whole idea was you're gonna do it just do exploring on that thing. Well, I don't know. It's just a fun motorcycle to drive. This is just a fun motorcycle to drive, especially for like areas like this. It's just more nimbler, smaller. I don't know, I feel like I have way more comfort in driving something like this versus the KTM. And I'm not gonna just, rag on the KTM just because I did buy it. I like the motorcycle. I really like the idea of it. But driving a sports bike again, oh my God, dude, these things are like, this is so much fun. I think if you come at this with the mindset of like, yeah, you just want to drive a sport bike and value for money, this thing does a lot. This honestly reminds me of how my wife had the Veloster N. I think of the Veloster N as just like this, whereas it's a great value for the money type of vehicle, because yes, you could get the ZX6, or you can get another Gixxer, 600, any other 600cc inline 4, you're gonna be paying a lot more for it. And this thing brand new, like under 10, that's a great value. You get so much stuff for this motorcycle. And it's not just the fact of like, oh, you're getting to, it's not even just the fact that you're paying, you know, a lot less, even though that does help. That does help, you know, the fact that you're paying a lot less. Oh, I've been over here. But just the fact of, you know, this motorcycle just in general, it still is a great bike. I'm having a ton of fun with this thing still. And I think, like, if you have like the proper mindset of being like, yeah, what's a great motorcycle that I can buy that won't break the bank but still is a lot of fun, this is a good option to have. I'm just checking out. I think these are like, oh yeah, this is like the mall down here. Drive by the convention center. And the cool thing about these bikes, I'm going to turn left or turn right. One of the real cool things about these bikes is yeah, let's go right. I love this area. But one of the cool things about these bikes is, well, what is this car doing? Don't know what this car is doing. My dude. She's trying to park or something? Oh my goodness, it's freaking hot. Yeah. So I mean, yeah, these bikes, they do look really cool. Like, people do like appreciate them. What even is going on down there? People do appreciate them. Holy moly, I forgot, man. I love these bikes. They're so much fun. I'm gonna go this way. They're so much fun, man. I feel like I could just do whatever. But yeah, man, the biggest thing is, though, as you can just see, they look really cool. People are like, oh yeah, hey, what's up? You know what I mean? Because they just look cool. Like, no one knows what type of bike this is. No one knows it's like, you know, a smaller displacement. You know, a ZX6 can like outrun it. And I feel like, honestly, when you're like older, look, I'm in my 30s now. I got nothing to prove. I'm kind of like, yeah, it is what it is. Ooh, this person, we're good. Listen, always gotta be in your hands. You know, always gotta be. Keep. gotta, you know, be paying attention. But no, I feel like this motorcycle, it looks great. All the features that you get, it reminds me of like how Hyundai with the Veloster was. It had all those features and stuff like that. I feel like clearly CFMoto, they know who they're targeting. Wow, it's like so beautiful over here. My goodness, man, so much fun. This is where the guy goes. The guy, oh, this is literally the route. I thought that this is the route that the guy takes. Interesting. Oh, it's very interesting. This is literally where Zach does the ride to work videos. Oh, interesting. This is literally right here. Oh. That's so funny. Off of RevZilla. Yeah, I'm not gonna do a full stop. Well, that was, yeah, it wasn't a full stop. But yeah, interesting. The whole goal with this bike is to have something fun. I plan on doing some modifications to it. I plan on doing a couple things. I know I'm gonna do a exhaust, but having this motorcycle out inside of Southern California is like awesome. This is like exactly what I wanted. I wanted something that was going to be a fun motorcycle that I could have. It's not that the KTM wasn't, you know, because that was a great bike, but I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I did miss driving a sport bike, and for, you know, for the bang for your buck, I think this is a great motorcycle. I feel like a lot of people are interested in them just because they are, you know, newer, cheaper. So like people are curious. So I'm gonna definitely keep you guys updated on like how it's going, how do I like it, and things like that. So if I don't like it after a couple of months or so, I'll definitely let you guys know. But at least so far right now, this is a great motorcycle. I'm having some fun with it. I'm gonna pull over here. I'm having some fun with this thing. And I plan on, I don't know, making more content on this guy. So if you're interested in any of that type of content, I'm going to be letting you guys know what do I think about the bike? How has it been holding up? And things like that along those nature. Let me know, guys, in the comment section below. But I think I'm going to try to head back. I have a bit of a drive to do. And it is hot as, I don't know, balls. So